In this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase. Click on here where it says search for a market and type the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. I'll type BTC and then your currency. So for me it's a euro, so I'll click on BTC euro. Once you're here, click on buy, the green button. And once you're here, the first thing you need to choose is the order type. So you have mainly two types of order, limit and market. Limit means let's buy this cryptocurrency at this specific price. So for example, right now the price of Bitcoin is 83,623 euros. Let's say I want to buy Bitcoin at 83,000 euros. So I'll write here 83,000. And then you need to choose how much you want to buy. So here you can choose how much crypto you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 0.1 Bitcoin. I'll type 0.1 and it will tell you how much you'll have to spend for it. So for me that's 8,300 euros. Or you can also choose how much money you want to put in. So I can toggle between Bitcoin and fiat, in my case euro. And let's say I want to put in 100 euros. So I will type 100 euros. Click on done. And it will say that I'll receive 0.00119 BTC. The other type of order is market. Market means let's buy this cryptocurrency right now. I don't want to wait. So if you want to do this, click on market. And here again, you need to choose how much money you want to put in. So let's say I want to buy 100 euros. I'll type 100 euros. I'll click on done. Or you want to buy a specific amount of cryptocurrency. You'll toggle from fiat to crypto. So I'll click here BTC. Let's say I want to buy 0.001 Bitcoin. I'll write 0.001. It will say that I'll spend 83.66 euros. And then once everything is done, you'll have to click on this green button at the bottom that says buy. Once you've bought your cryptocurrency, either with a market order or a limit order, you'll find your crypto again here in portfolio and then in overview and crypto.